Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. I'm Shakista. Today's special sponge orange cake without baking powder, baking soda. Take one big orange, grate the zest. This outer skin will give good flavor to the cake. Don't grate through the white skin. Just grate only the orange color layer. White skin will have the bitter taste and we don't need that. After grating, cut this orange and extract the juice. We need 30 ml of orange juice. Add 30 ml of vegetable oil to this orange juice mix and keep aside. Take 3 eggs and separate egg white and egg yolk. Take egg white and start to beat with mixer. Take 90 grams of powdered sugar, make it into 3 parts and add to the egg white 3 times and continue to mix till the egg white mixture gets thick consistency. When you take out the mixer, you should have straight peaks, even slightly bending also fine. But peaks should not fall back to the mixture. The consistency should be like this as I'm showing. In egg yolks, add 1 gram of salt and 2 ml of vanilla extract. Mix well. Now add egg yolk mixture and continue to mix till both mixtures combine well. Now take 90 grams of Maida, sift and add. Mix slowly as I'm showing in cut and fold method. Take small amount of cake batter and mix with oil and orange juice mixture. When this cake batter mix well with orange juice mixture, add this back to cake batter and mix in cut and fold method. If we add oil directly to main batter, oil will not mix well and we will not get required texture. Now in a cake mold, keep butter paper and pour cake batter. Now with the help of toothpick or a wooden stick, do as I'm showing. This is to remove if any air bubbles. Now tap stove 3 times and bake in preheated oven in 170 degrees 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our cake is baked enough. Take out. This cake is very tasty and has good flavor of orange. If you make it once, you will prepare regularly. Look how porous is this. I'm checking with wooden stick. Nothing sticks to it. It's very spongy. Preparation is very simple, but just follow exact quantity of ingredients. You will get perfect, super spongy cake. If you want large size, you can double the ingredients, but do not decrease or increase or skip any ingredient. You will not get the same spongy texture. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.